What's up, guys? It's King Champ VR and Christhebeastvr. Go subscribe to him.
Why is my name Gorilla?
Cause you're a noob. Alright, so I'm just gonna be 1v1ing him, and the only reason he agreed to 1v1 is because we're gonna play Scary Baboon after this. I'm gonna play music in the background. Just don't mind it, guys. Don't mind me. Alright,
I'm better.
You be it first.
Huh? What?
Or do you want me to? Okay, Okay, I'll be it first. Makes it fair.
Nope, too late. Too late.
Not too late. Alright.
Count.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, guys, my main skill is double walls.
Yeah, that's why he only. That was like 4 seconds. Alright. Alright. He keeps calling out a donut. But what do you guys say? Donut or bagel? Alright.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Bro did not do that.
Oh, yes, I did.
I get a 5. You will never juke me. I'm not being embarrassed from thousands of people.
Thousands of people? I don't even get that much views.
Guys, unsubscribe to him and subscribe to me.
I only get probably 6 views since not that popular. Alright, I'm gonna stop the music so they can hear both of us. Sorry about that, guys. I just needed to cook. Need to lock it.
Where are you?
Alright.
Use my branching skills.
I'm right here. You don't even know how to branch, really. Alright, I'm on platforms.
I'm coming.
Bruh! You do it so slowly. Alright. What the heck, my guys? Is he here? He's so slow. Oh, shoot. Damn! 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 Too easy, fellers. Shoot. Where are you, feller?
That's it. I'm done. I quit.
Oh, nah, bro, I actually quit. Oh! Did I just get tagged by an AFK person?
Trashy, you're trash.
That's it. Who are you trying to pull the slide juke on? Alright.
At least you're not recording. Like, you're not gonna juke me because you're not recording.
Does bro not know them?
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Even if you count that fast, you're not tagging me, pal.
Oh yeah, then restart.
What do you mean?
Restart.
Why?
Come back here. No, come back. No. Come back.
Okay.
Come back. Go right there.
This guy's bugging.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, you counted backwards! Oh. Alright, come on, bro. You keep trying to pull a slide joke on me. Alright, let's actually do it. Entertain the viewers. If I get any views.
You get a 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Too easy, bro. Now that's embarrassing. Guys, watch the juke. Damn. boy. And I hope that shout out does work. You guys should definitely subscribe to him. Oh yeah, you know I have 22 subscribers, right?
Actually?
I've been growing and I'm so happy. Thanks to all my...
Try beating Ultimate Score. He has 63.
That might be hard if people subscribe.
We're racing to 100K, aka
Dang!
our first YouTube class.
100K? Okay, that might take a while.
Yeah.
But there's this one person that inspired me, Bubbles VR. He's just like our age, and he has like 677K.
Wait, what color is he?
Blue.
Blue.
Bro, come on! Are you trying or... Bro is probably raging right now. Dang, hit the soft VR joke.
Hold up, let me mute real quick.
Oh.
I'm about to rage.
If he forgets to mute, oh guys, cover your eardrums. It's over. We're safe. We're safe. Yo! What the? That ain't no rage! Okay, I'm done, bro. Nah! Can't even vertical, so... Nah. Wait, I don't know if you guys can hear him in the call but I don't think Oculus can do that. Talking app chat so the viewers can hear you, not. I don't think that I'm just crazy talking to myself.
Oh crap, wait, I wasn't in app chat?
No.
Bro, this is so boring for me.
Because I'm cooking you.
Come on, you stupid Niger.
Oh, okay, we're gonna have to cut out the video, guys. Bro, don't say that. That's racist. Oh! 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 Nah! This kid is getting his ankles snapped. Alright, nice job, pal. Alright, guys, this might be the end of the video. We're just doing a little 1v1. Might be a montage or YouTube video. Why are you trying to hide? Get over here. Alright, bye, guys. Shoot, I just hit my headset.